Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is at least 20% and the screen is unlocked. Open Settings and go straight to About Phone to check MIUI version. This tells you whether menus look different. Once done, make sure you can authenticate with your PIN or fingerprint because you will need verification later. This avoids interruptions and speeds the process. Follow each step without skipping, since MIUI sometimes hides developer options based on version. You now enable the hidden menu. In About Phone, tap MIUI version 7 times rapidly but naturally. The system counts taps. When you see the confirmation toast saying you are now a developer, stop tapping. Next, go back to the main settings screen and locate additional settings. On many Redmi phones, developer options sits inside that menu. If you prefer, use Settings Search to jump straight to developer options. That's often faster than digging through nested menus. You finish by toggling developer options on at the top, then enable only the features you need. For example, USB debugging for a DB access. If the menu doesn't appear, reboot the phone and check for MIUI updates or carrier restrictions, because software can hide advanced menus. If taps failed initially, temporarily remove or change your screen lock and repeat the 7 taps. Make sure to re-enable your preferred lock afterward. One troubleshooting tip: reboot after changes to ensure settings take effect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.